You gonna say something? Yeah, look, that shit stuck on her finger like, ugh. Yo, what it do, man? It's your boy Luis, 25 Locks, y'all. Look, man, if you haven't seen this video that I'm showing you right now, go ahead and check it out, because that way you're gonna be able to know and realize what we're doing in this video right here. But anyway, guys, let's get into it with this one. I hope you like it, because the shit that happened in this video is unbelievable, man. Stay till the end and let's get it right now. You heard me? So, guys, for the ones who don't know what's going on in this video, right now she's wicking my hair out. You see what I'm saying? To be honest, guys, I never thought I was gonna get wigs. You feel me? Like, it was never in my mind. Like, I never saw myself having wigs. You see what I'm saying? But the problem was, my hair got to a point where it was breaking off. It was just getting so thin. And there was not even. So I had longest dread, medium, small, short, you know what I'm saying? So it just was not how I like it. You see what I'm saying? And one day I came to the shop and I told my wife, like, can you go ahead and put like 5 or 6 dread together with rubber bands to see how they look? Because I feel like I'm going to get wigs. Man, she went ahead and did it, like, without even having a clean part. She just put them together and put some rubber bands right there, all the way from the roof to the end, basically making it look like a wigs. Man, I fell in love with that shit, you feel me, with the look, and I said, okay, cool, I'm gonna see if I like it for like 2 or 3 weeks. So I was just basically wearing my hair like that into wigs with rubber bands all the way around. So after 2 weeks, I realized that I was ready to move on with the wigs process. So that's what you're doing right now. But you're not gonna believe what happened, bro. Like, she was working that one in the back, and the needle got stuck in her finger in the middle of the process. Like, we end up going to the hospital and all that shit. We got some footage that I'm gonna show you right now in this moment. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Yeah, man, she was working with this one right here. She was working with that one. You see, she was almost done at the end. Right there when she stopped herself. Wait, right here. You gonna say something? Yeah, look, that shit stuck on her finger like, ugh. You see where we at right now?
It's not on my finger, baby. It's inside.
Inside.
It's deep. You see how deep it is?
Yeah, like about an inch.
No, it ain't an inch. It's like almost half an inch.
But anyway, y'all see where we at, man.
It's funny, don't you?
It's not funny, but I gotta get this for my people, you know? Yeah, top in, man. We getting good content for y'all. We didn't want it to happen. It happened, so now we gotta record the video. You gonna be alright.
Really?
You gonna be good.
Really?
I did it myself. I did it once. And I didn't. It was deep. And I didn't have to go to the doctor, so we good. We on. Stay tuned. Hi, y'all. So, as y'all can see, I'm on the way back to the shop because I was waiting for like 20 minutes. And she was like, if you want, you can leave me here and go back to the shop because I don't know how long it's gonna take, and I'm just gonna call you whenever I'm done. So I said, alright, so if you want me to do that, okay, cool. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm going back to the shop. But to be honest, guys, I didn't want to leave. I didn't want to leave my wife over there. Cause like right now she's in a pain situation. You see what I'm saying? And all that shit. Like she's in pain for real. That needle is deep, as you guys can see. Man, I don't know. Like that shit really messed up our day, basically. But we're fine. I know we're gonna be okay. She gonna be alright. And I'm kinda sad because I do wanna have my wigs, especially the ones in the back. I wanna get them combined. I wanna see how I look with that new style on myself. Now I don't know how long it's gonna take for her to get back, to work. You feel me? Shit happened, but I hope she get back to work soon. You feel me? I don't wanna see her in pain. She's in pain for real. Like that shit ain't a joke. But anyway, guys, thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching our videos. Another thing, guys, before I go. If you wanna have any service, like wanna have like a haircut by a professional barber, if you wanna have your wigs, dread, crochet, just let me know. I got you for real. You can hit me up on TikTok as Luis25Locks, YouTube, Instagram, anywhere. I got you. Let me know. I'm working on my Booksy booking appointment. On my Booksy app. That way I'm gonna put a link on every video. If you wanna book any appointment, just gotta go to the link, see the day, the hour that you wanna come in, and I got you. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Appreciate you. Alright, guys, so you see, man, we still going, you know what I'm saying? We working on this. To be honest, guys, I'm impatient because I know it's gonna look good. I already make my mind, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just basically waiting to see how I look. We working this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Look at that shit. They look good. And like I told you guys earlier, so if you wanna have your dread combined, or you wanna put them together because they are too thin or whatever, just let me know, man. You can reach out to me on Facebook, TikTok, IG, anywhere, man. This is Luis25Locks. This is the first video of this. Stay tuned. Let's get it, man.